vele ngiyavuma ukuthi emzini yabantu uma siyogana sizofika nemfundiso engafani, kodwa ukuthi mina ngifundiswe ngale ndlela engifundiswe ngayo kithi akumnika omunye umnakwethu ilungelo lokuthi yena athi yena umyeni wami usethole uyebo baba, usethola umuntu ozomcontrola, usethola umuntu noma omabiyela phela bakhweza amadoda emakhanda ethu. Omabiyela benza amadoda onkulunkulu basemhlabeni. Ingakho nje abantu besilisa behlukumeza abantu besifazane ingenxa yabantu abanjengomabiyela. Kuze kube ngathi shuthi wena kahle kahle ekhanda lakho awuphili. Ushuthi kahle kahle uyislima wena ngendlela wena ufundiswe ngayo. Omunye benethemba lokuthi hayi vele uyazenzisa, wenzela ukuthi wombona uyoshintsha, emva kwesikhathi uyoshintsha nje. Akekho nje umuntu. Isikole asikwenzi ufundiseke, senza ukuthi ufunde. Mhlana qonda ukuthi ekhaya uma uthathwe nje kwathi hayi funda wena funda ukuze uzoba nezinto zakho, lokho akukusizi ukuthi ufundiseke. Sukufundile futhi musa ukuthi mina ngoba ngifundisiwe ngafundiseka bese wena ubone ngathi yena kuyinto embi ngoba abazali bami bangikhulise ngaleyo ndlela. Ukwenze nje kube ngathi mina ngisile ekhanda ngenxa ukuthi ngifundiswe mina ngaleyo ndlela. Nanokuthi kufanele kwesinye isikhathi ngeniqonde nje ukuthi awukwazi ukuyikhethela ukuthi ukhuliswe kanjani. Abanye abantu uthi ekhula umuntu ezalo kuzala ingane intombazane ebe i-business transaction, abazali bakhe bazi kahle ukuthi ufuneka ashade nengane yakwabani ukuze kuzoba nama-deal enziwayo. Njengathi nje thina ekhaya kithi sikhule ufundiswa yonke into ngoba igama belilokhu lishilo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uyohamba emzini womuntu awazi ukuthi uyogana ekhaya elinjani. Abanye bakhuliswa betshela ukuthi yena akubalekile ukushada, noma ungafunda nje uyimele akunalutho. Ungathi-ke uma ukuthi usufika emzini usufica abantu abafundiswe ngendlela ukuthi yena ngelinye ilanga uyo emzini womuntu bese kuba ngathi manje uzenza ukuthi ungcono yena. Cha, wonke umuntu akenze lento ayifundiswa kubo ukuthi ihamba indoda yakhe sikutshela ekamereni ukuthi cha ngiyayithanda lento yenziwa amabiyela, ngiyafisa ukuthi nawe ungayenza, musukuphendula uzokwenza kulume kimi. Akungabi kimi nje manje sekufanele ngizizwe mina ukuthi hawu wena uzenza ukuthi ungcono nje, ukwenzelani ukuthi
Mzito, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. So bazalwa bamzito, that is u-Aunty kaMabiyela. So guys, nayo uMabiyela Mthembu, if I'm not mistaken, this is the video that she made on her TikTok page, guys. I think she raised a lot of points, very important points, guys. Yabona one thing engifundile kulento ayishilo, which is something Thirelo ayishoyo ne. Ungathatha umthetho wakini ufake komunye umuntu. Even if you are not married to a same man, mhlambe ushade nabo ubhuti, ungathi wena kini if bakufundisa ukuthi indoda uyigucela then uthi wena umfazi ugucela indoda, it's wrong. No. And ungathatha umthetho wakakho osebenzela wena nomendo wakho ufuna usebenzele mina nomendo wami. Ayihambi kanjalo life bazalwa bamsitho. So we know that uThirelo has been saying ukuthi Umpumelelo sakathola intanga yakhe, Umpumelelo sakathola futhi umuntu yebo baba. The last episode is not the first time I show, but I think it's the second if not the third time ayisho ukuthi uMabiyela uyebo yaba, uMabiyela uvuma yonke into. And if you have been watching uThando Nesithembu, you'll know that uMabiyela is not uyebo baba. Like uyena uyibeka is in a manner of uvuma yonke into esho Umpumelelo. No, uMabiyela akekho kanjalo. uMabiyela even that time bambuza ukuthi umbaba uMsele ngambuza ngendaba ukuthi ngcono uThirelo abo unkosikazi ucala ushilo ukuthi yena lento leyo akatshelwanga. Unlike yena uTirelo, because yena last year she acted as if she doesn't want to be the first wife and she doesn't have a problem ukuthi kuze umuntu omusha bangamazi banoVuyokazi abe the first wife, and she acted as if uVuyokazi her fighting for ukuthi kube nonkosikazi omunye ongaziwa abonkosikazi oqala ebona balandele. It was something wrong. uVuyokazi bongathi umuntu olwela ukuba umamkhulu unali ngubamamkhulu unali ngubamamkhulu, but this season nathi sesiyabona ukuthi no yena lokubuhanani ngubamamkhulu yile nto that thing, something that she really wanted naye, because what uVuyokazi bekayilwela guys, it was very like bebalekile to me. I felt as if vele indoda yakho, you cannot date someone guys for 4 years ashade omunye umuntu. It's not a matter of ubu-virgin as uVuyokazi ushilo ukuthi uMpumelelo, it's not the first time athanda ne-virgin, akaliqabuki i-virgin. Why now? You understand? And why now? Ngazi ngalento now, which is something that's very important. Angiboni, I cannot ukuthi ngikuzalela abantwana bayithu ngihlale nawe 4 years ngikubekezelele kuwo wonke umchitho wakho nawo wonke ama-girlfriend wakho introduce ku, then now uzongitshela ukuthi uzothatha omunye umuntu entweni yokuthi uyi-virgin. We understand vele benganasindo kangako, because even the reason bekayisho bekuyinto engekho esemhlulile futhi namhlanje. So I guess umamncane lo ukhuluma izinto, u-auntie ukhuluma izinto ezi very important, very important, ukuthi you cannot ukuthi uthathe ifikini bakufundisa ukuthi wena mawufika ebukhweni uhlala nobabazala futhi akusubabazali umkhulu wengane yakho, ukhulume nomkhulu wengane yakho nje ngomngane wakho uzuhleka uveza amazinyo. That is something thina sikhulisanga kanjalo ke thina abanye basikhulisa abo babethu yasho ukuthi umshado akusinto ebalekile, umshado akusinto ebalekile, umshado is just a bonus in life. But I cannot say someone who believes kumshado and who someone who believes ukuthi umshado is very important nendlela yabo. Mina ngeke ngisho ngithi indlela umama akaphatha ngayo babakho or your stepmother, or indlela if ukhuliswa umkhulu, if ugogo aphatha ngayo umkhulu, indlela ozophatha ngayo umyeni yakho, ngoba into okhulu ibona is easy ukuthi uphinde uyenze. You get me? Mina I do not see anything wrong ngomuntu okucela umyeni wakhe angifuni nje uqamba amangabandla. And if nami ngathandana mhlambe ngishade umyendweni kuthiwa lapho mawunika ubaba iplate I'll definitely do that, because angiboni into wrong ukuthi umuntu uyamgucela, because ukugucela umuntu akusho ukuthi you will allow each and everything le eyenzayo leyo muntu wrong. You get me? So with Relo saying that, it was very wrong, and I think into intimidate in this whole thing ukuthi uMabiyela is very young. uMabiyela same culture and religion Mpumelelo nabantu bakaMseleko, they believe entweni one. Mabiyela ubuyela esithembini, uMpumelelo ubuye esithembi. So uma ubuyela kubo kunesithembu, uzalwa esithembini, uMpumelelo kubo kunesithembu. Yabo ukuthi babhilivele entweni one, these people they'll understand each other, and uMpumelelo sakathola umuntu e-understandayo lento le, hayi someone who acts as if he understand. And remember uMpumelelo yamthanda umuntu othule, so mhlambe even imena addressa ngayo izinto uMabiyela different. And why engayithatha as if it's a new love, because the time bashoota this thing uMabiyela noMpumelelo they only dated for 5 months. Obviously new love, and the new love and the respect phezulu, just because uMabiyela has never disrespected uTirelo on TV. From what we know, what we've seen, we've never seen uMabiyela adele Tirelo to an extent ukuthi baphikisana ngamagama. But yena kuye wahlala etafuleni wabuza uVuyokazi wathi wena uhambiswa ukuthi uVuyokazi uMpumelelo uthatha umunye umuntu. That was not her place to ask that question. So I think izinto sure mamncane, even though abanye they feel as if mamncane ungena into zakaMabiyela or ungena into zakaMahle, but I feel as if ezinye zezinto if unendlebe uyezwa, you'll know, you'll understand ukuthi some of the things as not meant ukuthi zizoTirelo kuphela, but zonke sizwile. The message is very important, and I've learned one or two things kuzo. Yes, like into thina sigijimisa imfundo kakhulu ke la endlini, indaba ukuthi imfundo ayimenzi umuntu ahloniphe. If vele uhlaza ufundile, uhlaza ungafundanga, imfundo ayimenzi umuntu futhi ukuthi abe nesimilo. If awunaso isimilo kini, if awunaso isimilo futhi we should not blame abazali for actions wengane. If awunaso isimilo anyeke uzube naso isimilo, and if you do not know what is respect emendweni, uzohlala unganayo, ungena unjalo ethuneni ngoba vele wena udalwe unjalo, nomthetho awukwazi ukuzwa. And if uzothi ezowomen uzothi omunye unkosikazi makayenza into enje enganaboni phakathi, i-wrong, wise when wenza into ezirong udlula lezi, that means umunye umuntu. You get me bazalwane bami? So but you can comment down below your thoughts ukuthi nina nibone kanjani, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.